do a very quick video today on how to fasten a seatbelt. Somebody asked me to do it, and that's what I do. I'm going to show it to you. Okay, the seatbelt has two parts. It has a buckled part and it has another part. To fasten the seatbelt, all you have to do is put this part into here and it goes click. If you want to tighten it, all you have to do is just pull on this, and if you want to loosen it, you just pull it the other way. Now to unbuckle it, all you have to do is lift the flap and then it comes out of there. So I hope this helped poppers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video real soon. Bye!